I'm Abby from LCAV. I'm the project manager on this East London home. The brief from the client was to create a fully automated home for the whole family that was also beautifully designed, so all the technology is really discreetly integrated within the home. The finishings and the furnishings were really important to the brief from the interior designer, making sure that the technology blends in really seamlessly and isn't the first thing that you see when you walk in was super important. The design process from start to finish was a few weeks. The project was really quick. The client briefed us in August and has moved in over Christmas. So we had a really short amount of time to work with both the builders and the interior designer to make sure that we had everything designed quickly and ready to go, because the builders were on a very tight deadline.
I'm Charles from Habitech. Louis and Abby originally got me involved on this East London home project in August 2022. The project had a really quick turnaround. We were given an initial design brief in August 2022. Louis and Abby, as always, live up to the challenge, and they delivered a really high-performing project whilst keeping the interior designer's requirements and the end user's performance and aesthetic requirements all intact. The main living room area downstairs was a bit of a technology design challenge. There is lime polished plaster on the ceilings, and just putting normal in-wall speakers would have ruined the aesthetic of the space completely. So using some of the solutions available from James Loudspeaker as well as Sonance, we've incorporated a bespoke soundbar beneath the TV, and we're using the Sonance Invisible Speakers at the rear to give them a surround sound setup, and then that's backed up by a James PowerPipe subwoofer with the toe kick built into the skirting board of the living room.
Using the Sonance Invisible Speakers across the ground floor has meant that we've been able to get really consistent coverage across a very open plan space that's got decorative ceilings and finishes without compromising on the aesthetic. Designing the cinema room layout was a particular challenge on the project. We've got a loft room with a vaulted ceiling, very low eaves, and it's quite a wide space. Usually we get to work with a very square box room, but this room was definitely a challenge. So designing a room that could give the performance of the audio visual that we wanted, while still giving a nice cosy space for the client to relax in, was really